Hello Pisces, welcome new viewers, cross watchers and my lovely moonians. This is a monthly reading for March 2020. We will be looking into love and anything else that the spirit has for us, alright? So take what resonates, let go of that which doesn't. Make sure for further understanding that you look into your other signs, sun, moon, rising, ascendant, Venus, Mars or Jupiter as well. Let's see. So before we begin, let's just calm ourselves down, come into an alignment with the universe, and open our minds to receive the messages which are coming through, alright? So just breathe and relax. Alright. Fruit of life coming in, rejuvenation, second chances coming through. So let's see what is the overall energy. Thank you. We have Taurus coming in and Ka coming through. Both have very similar energies, and that's very interesting. With the 55 and 56 flowing out, it's like certain kind of change which is happening. With the 555, change, transformations which are happening, and it is for your own soul growth. Taurus and Ka has that energy of flowing inward and outward as well. So like bringing in your focus, going inward, and then allowing your expansion to happen. Once the focus comes in, the confidence coming through, and everything aligning, you feeling all juiced up spiritually as well and rejuvenated, and then you expand. You're ready to take action. That is the energy which is coming in. Wheel of Fortune energy also coming through over here. Everything being connected in a certain way for your soul growth which is coming through. A lot of strength with the Lotus over here. Ma Lakshmi, Goddess Lakshmi energy, abundance which will be flowing in. Wheel of Fortune energy coming through very significantly. Very nice, like fast communication also occurring. Alright, I want to keep this one in front. It almost seems like there's a transformation which is happening. The color coming in, happiness coming through, synchronicities coming in, because you are growing. And Lotus or water lilies, I feel that there's a lot of enlightenment, Saraswati energy also coming through, knowledge, wisdom. There's almost like working on a skill and becoming the master, and then enjoying the fruits of your labor, of your skills, of your talents, maybe hidden deep within. Alright, so now let's look into the 3D energies. Spirit, what is coming in? Thank you so much. We have 4 of spirals and the 6 of spirals coming in. They did fall out like this and then they switched. So there is a need of coming out of a place of lack or feeling insecure, or the anxiety which you are overcoming, because you can slowly and steadily see success coming in, new opportunities coming in, financial gains which will ease off certain kind of stress that may be piling up, certain kind of stability or structure or foundation, stronger foundation, which is very much important to heal something in your personal life, which will give you more momentum to keep going forward. Alright. Certain kind of completion with the 4 and the 6, when you add it, is a 10. So certain kind of completion, results which will be coming in for you. But you have to have the confidence and to keep going forward. Wow, look at this. Sun and moon fell out. True couple energy coming in. polar opposites being attracted to one another, a lot of happiness and a lot of emotions, depth, recognition, which is coming in from your person over here. Could be financially as well, like, your seniors are noticing you, that kind of an energy. And we have Papa Legba also coming in strong, Leo energy coming through both of them. Wow, major arcanas. This person is thinking very, very deeply about you. They see you as a counterpart, like you mirror them. But with the sun and moon coming in, like, they never meet, right? They're all in a cycle for us when we are seeing it. And there's this missing which is going on. Someone who has been feeling a little dicey, a little confused about where this connection is going. It's coming in from here, more Pisces energy. And over here, in the meantime, their feelings, the other person's feelings about you or their recognition of you is growing. You are their star, the sun and moon, all of that coming through. They want to be part of your life. And there's certain kind of illumination which is occurring. Nine of Spirals coming to an end. Any kind of obstacle that was there is getting submissive now, is reducing. That is the energy which is coming in. And they're getting a clearer path, inspiration, emotional motivation and strength also, with the confidence to come towards you, overcoming this. Alright, so this is the deck here. There's one card which fell out and we have the Weaver, Queen of Scrolls coming in. Queen of... I don't know why I felt like saying mirrors. When I flipped it out, I felt this was Queen of Cups, but this is Queen of Swords coming in, who is very much busy working and is creating. You could be a creative being, you could be an artist as well, like first you make the design, the outline and all of that, the structure of it, and then you fill it with your imagination. That is also coming through. Use your creativity, it will really benefit you. Even in a corporate situation, if you're feeling stuck into getting certain kind of solution, think creatively. That will really help you. What are you passionate about? Try infusing that in your work. You will find more satisfaction is also coming through. But this person is seeing you as their counterpart, but they are a little scared because they may have been a little jittery coming towards you in the past, or certain things which have happened in the past, it distanced you from them. But they see you very clearly. 3 major arcanas is no joke. They're feeling very deeply for you. Very deeply for you. I'll cut it. We have 9 of Mirrors also coming in. And when 9 is reversed, it's a 6. Soulful connection. Things which needed to happen. Now is the time for the soul growth to happen. Certain kind of event that led them to realize how important you are to them. Maybe they went through a tough time and you helped them out. That is also coming in, or vice versa, something or the other. But they are really appreciating you, no matter what situation it may have been, or whatever the revelation, the source of it may have been, or intervention. But they see long term with you. They see you as their counterpart. They are inspired by you, really impressed how you have grown career-wise, professionally as well. Beautiful. Very synchronistic soulmate energy coming in. But I don't really like to keep tagging things. This is Cancer, this is Pisces, your own, and Leo energy coming through. A bit of Libra also. So much fire is there. 1, 2, 3, 4 cards of fire. And the Spirit also coming in, life force energy, solar plexus chakra energy, which is enlightening, bringing in a lot of positive change, this drive to go forward. And that's changing. It is creating a very beautiful ripple. It's going inwards and then it's flowing outwards, that kind of a thing. Healing, a certain kind of hurt of the past which kept you guarded, but now you realize that it was old. You have outgrown that. You have truly healed now. You were just a little scared to look again at it, wondering whether or not you'll feel vulnerable or it'll trigger you in a certain way. For some people, it's coming through, or for someone there may need to hear this message. But know that you have the strength to overcome anything that may have been there. The dawn is breaking now. Don't be scared of embracing your shadow side. The shadow side is not ugly, it is a part of you. Love every part of you is also coming in. Have the confidence of diving deeper into the darkness, because only then you'll find the door which leads you to the light. Bring in a balance between the divine masculine, divine feminine energy within you. Light side, shadow side. You have a very beautiful, authentic voice. You have a lot of creativity which inspires people, like their soul or their mind gets inspired by your creations. Utilize this time for that. Many ideas which will be coming in. Your intuition is leading you towards positivity, towards a more stronger phase of your life, a stronger connection which is at hand, or you are attracting, depending on whatever is your situation. Look at this. This was at the bottom. Third chakra, Archangel Chamuel coming in, Shamiel coming in, sorry. Solar plexus chakra coming through. And 3 and 7, when you add it together, is a 10. 10 is coming through. Abundance will be flowing in. Financially especially, but make sure that you're not overly busy, so busy creating a career that other aspects of your life, maybe even personal life, takes a back seat. Everything needs to be balanced. Alright, for more harmony. Alright, I love how the cards are stationing themselves. So we have yin and yang coming through, number 22 coming in. A lot of mirroring energy, balance, structure, equilibrium, unrequited love, experiences which are getting healed now, believing in giving and receiving, taking your time before taking action, looking at things more sincerely, not jumping into conclusions, avoiding running away. There's a beautiful balance which is coming in. Yin energy is coming through over here. Sacral chakra activation, heart chakra activation, which will really benefit you. I feel this person is very sexually attracted to you. There's a lot of compassion, and it may have been a lot of attraction at first, but now there are emotions also. There's this Kundalini awakening energy, Merkaba energy. This one actually talks about Merkaba. The ka comes from Merkaba, the spirit, life force energy. Again, divine feminine also signifies creativity. We have rest and rejuvenation coming in. Yes, don't overly work yourself. Make sure that you're taking time off to breathe. And we have healer of the ages, 51 coming in. Again, 19 could be significant, 22 could be significant. Date, age, all of that, some relevance. And 51 is also coming in, number 6, which is coming through. Certain kind of changes which are very much required for that initiation to happen. Certain kind of realization that there is balance which is required, that we need to perhaps progress this connection towards something more meaningful, but not getting stressed by it, or taking some time to meditate, especially if life seems out of balance, or there's certain kind of lull or an illusion which is coming to an end, and reality is coming through, coloring your canvas maybe too quickly that it may seem overwhelming. Any situation, even like if success is coming in, like the amount of responsibility which suddenly pops onto you is a little stressful. So whenever you can, even if it's for 5 minutes, 2 minutes, whatever, 10 breaths, whatever you can, do that. Meditation will really, really benefit you. And healer of the ages coming through. This person is healing. They have a lot of warmth, empathy towards you. They are very much in love with you. The blues and the yellows are playing a very strong significance over here. The yellow being very strong over here, the blue over here, and the yellow and blue merging together. Someone needs to rest, not stress, and not overwork themselves. And over here, someone needs to heal in order to step into their emotional world and to see things clearly, because there has been a lot of cloudiness in this connection in the past for some out there, but they're finding the strength to heal and amend things with you is also coming through. All right, let's look into what oracle is coming through for you guys. This one, we have delight coming in. Count your blessings and enjoy life. Take pleasure in simple things. Always expect the best coming through. Change your mentality, make it more positive. Become aware if you may be self-sabotaging a little too much. So let go of the fear and let go of the doubt. Just keep working. The rainbow and the results will be coming in. Time to focus and bring balance into your life. To experience more happiness, joy, satisfaction, and harmony too. And the dandelion over here. If it's significant, then please go look into it. But certain dreams coming true is coming in. Don't your prayers, affirmations, your aspirations are being recognized and it will be coming in. So don't worry about that. Especially if you haven't seen 1010, 333. What else? 444. But rest and rejuvenate, take breaks, intervals, that is also coming in. A very blessed time in your life overall is coming in. Welcome it with open arms is coming through. All right, let's look into the charms now. Okay. So we have quite a few leaves. Nature could be significant. You could meet this person in a retreat place or something like that. Fall could be significant. August could be significant with the Leo. But I really like that. I'm just trying to check whether these are the yeah. Really like 2 silver and 2 gold ones coming in. Again, moon and sun coming through again. Yeah, twin flame energy is coming in, but a very, very strong divine soul connection, which is over here. The recognition on their behalf is coming through very, very significantly over here. We have the eye of Horus or Ra over here. Pineal gland or third eye awakening, following your intuition. Higher guidance which is coming through. Enlightenment is there. You are the sunshine. That is the energy which is coming through. We have the rose and the intricate rose. Over here, they see you as someone who is very unique. They are seeing you growing and they are loving each part which is unfolding. They see you as being very intricate, very... like your sense of style is also very different, but they're very attracted to you because of the design over here. Designing is in fact coming through. We have this flower which from the back in a way looks like a sunflower to me, but it isn't. You bring in a lot of hope. There's a lot of hope coming into your life. There's anchor over here. They want to solidify things with you, or something like, again, stronger foundations being built is the energy which is coming in. Seeing how you want to step into the world is also coming through in a way, but wanting something deeper now, something substantial now, getting serious about things. We have the Daisy also coming in. They see you as very pure, very peaceful, very inspiring, very charming too, very cute. With the Tree of Life coming in, they want to grow things with you, build a family with you. In that mindset is the energy which is coming in, depending on what the situation is. But they see you as very expansive, very grounded, very supportive, an empath who shelters others, who provides for others. We have root chakra also coming in, and there could be a need of balancing things like over here, or grounding things more, walk in nature. This could be a significance of that also. Yeah, the need of something more concrete in your life. That is the energy which is coming in. Wondering, is this the person who I spend my lifetime with? We have the Amiya, which is just a design like a mango. Um, the way it's spiraling, it's almost like they may see you as someone being traditional, who learns, who grows, gets inspired. There's a lot of creativity which is coming in. The way most of the flowers and everything is there is very creatively designed in these. I don't know why design is so important. So do let me know if you're an artist or a writer, because there's writing over here also on the moon, the compass. You bring in a lot of direction in their life, or you may feel that way towards them. We have the hand of Hamza coming in. There's a lot of protection from the other side. Blessings which are coming in, true blessings are coming in. They see you as someone who is wise, who is very intuitive, who knows a lot. We have not a dagger, this is the lion tooth coming in. They see you as very lucky. This one always reminds me of awakening, like these are the chakras or the body, and there's like triangles, like electric force around this person. Ascension which is coming through very, very strongly. All chakra, listen to chakra music is also coming through. We have a shell over here. They may have kept their feelings hidden, or they feel that you are like kind of refraining yourself from expressing. But anyways, shells are related to Ma Lakshmi, quite a bit, goddess Lakshmi, so abundance which is coming in. They see you as someone who is very compassionate. We have grapes coming in, wine and dine energy, but they see you as ripening to perfection. And perfection is not really that perfection, but they love your imperfections, like they're perfect for them is the energy coming through over here. They see you as someone juicy. There's a mask coming in, so they want to let go of any kind of deception or masks or facades, and they want to come in, speak to you, confess their feelings towards you, and they're trying to find the strength to do so. We have Yam coming in. This is the heart chakra. You have opened the heart chakra. They feel it is safe. They're trying to find the strength to open up to love, because you're inspiring them to feel safe to love. And the rose also over here, there's a lot of this appreciation for you. Very beautiful energies which are coming in over here. Follow your intuition. It's literally luck is on your side. Whatever you decide, it will happen. So think clearly, be careful what you wish for. And I just didn't say it because I was so much in like, I have to do the reading quickly. Anyways, but beautiful blessings are coming in. This is your birthday month. You can checklist everything. This is a very blessed time. You are rising, you are thriving, you're illuminating minds. There's so much abundance. There's so much abundance coming into your life. This is a very beautiful period which is opening up for you. You are literally designing your own destiny. That is also coming in. Like while you're journeying, you are enjoying the journey more. You are learning from the journey itself is also coming through. So very beautiful time for you guys. Utilize it, use your creativity, and there's a lot of communication which will be coming through. But let go of the stress. Alright, that's what's coming in. Beautiful blessings. Happy birthday once again. May all your wishes come true in due time and in the best possible way. May the best be with you. Until next time, love, light, healing, empowerment, and enlightenment, growth, success to you all. Please do subscribe if you haven't already, and thank you so much for being part of the Moonian family. Please like and share it with the loved ones, comment below and hit the like. Om Namah Shivaya. Keep that vibe high, my lovely Moonians.